back to the This is the Minecraft Oneblock Survival series. Today we're gonna make some amazing progress. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video to find out what we have accomplished in this amazing episode. Oh yeah! Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna try to build some walls. Oh, ooh, I took some damage. Sorry. So I'm gonna try to build some walls on the one block treehouse. Yes. So yeah, let's get some wood. Yeah, we got it. We're good. I'm just trying not to get people spawning, so I don't have to, try to rebuild this whole thing all over again. This is some noise. Oh, oh, move. Nah. Alright. Let's go. Oh, come on. Hey, yeah, hey, 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 hey. It's a zombie attack. It's a zombie attack. Uh-oh. Hey. That's not fair. That's not funny. That's not, yeah, that's right. Hey, 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 hey. You gotta back up, zombie, yeah. Now give me my stuff back. I worked so hard for those stuff. Okay. Oh, chicken later. Hey, yeah, don't mind me. Okay, let me just turn down the volume real quick. Okay, I'm back. It's a good thing it's not creeper. Then creepers and skeletons, in this survival series, are gonna be the worst ones. Yeah, so yeah. Chicken and chicken jockey. Chicken jockey. Yes. Got some more stuff, so let me just do this and that. Oh, we got some coal. Yes, we got some coal. That's amazing. Whatever this is, glowberries. Okay, so let me just put that coal in here, and then back up in, and then just mine up this chest. Imagine we can get diamonds today, that would be crazy. Oh, also, let me know in the comment section down below, like what ideas you want me to do, like if you want me to do a name wall or whatever, etc. But yeah, that'll be so much fun. Yeah, just let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, or if you want me like build something in my treehouse, I guess. I don't know, anything really. Probably I can live stream today too. I was just not feeling it. Oh, excuse me, Mr. Cow. We got some more iron. We can smelt that good. That's nice. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh, pickaxe is stone pickaxe is going to die, and we got lots of dirt, so we can expand. So I think we can mostly expand with the stone. Anywho, yeah. Oh, and yeah, like I said in the last episode, we're gonna put like I hope these should I keep these tree things? Eh, like leaves. And also, let me know in the comment section below. How do I like make the leaves not decay? Or like I could just search it up, but yeah. Hmm. Yeah, you guys have to help me out on that one. Cause I'm not like a good Minecraft expert. I played Minecraft before, but yeah. Okay. So don't mind me. I'm just trying to do something. Mm-hmm. Okay. I think we can stop. Don't mind me. I don't know how I should go about this. Okay. Let me just. I really need more. Like, oh no, I meant dirt. Got 11 pieces of dirt. So let me just do that. Oh wait, no, that's not the same thing. Okay, whatever. Hey, hey, bro. Don't piss me off. We got 3 more coal. That's nice, that's nice, that's nice. Mm, just do this. Got 22 pieces of coal. To look at that, Mr. Kyle. 22 pieces of coal. Ain't that awesome? Well, and the crops are growing. Yes, I'm going to need to build a bigger farm. Trust me. Like, I know. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place that. Hey, hey, oh, m- Mr. Chicken, can you stop laying them eggs? Yeah, bada bang, bada boom. Hope you guys like this series. I know it's a little bit late for me, like years late, but I mean, unless you want me to do something else, like, yeah, I don't want to try to like, but since I have these shadow packs on, I don't know, like, where to go. Yeah, yeah, okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, let me just get that pickaxe right there. And then, no, what I move, what I say my, I meant what I move. Yeah, yeah, we're chilling, okay. Well, like, feeling right off the edge almost. No, I am holding on shift. So we're good, we're good. Good. Okay, so, okay. So what I've done so far is nothing really too much. In the span of 8 minutes, yep. You heard me, in the span of 8 minutes. Oh, no, that looks fresh. No, that looks fresh, ain't that right? Yeah. Okay, so no, I wasn't gonna use all my work, but I guess. Hopefully she's still working, alright. No, actually, let's see this one. Well, I can make a really big tree. You know what? Maybe later. Next in the episode, maybe episode number, I don't know. This is like episode 6, maybe episode 8, or like 9 or 10, maybe even. We could make like a big tree, like renovate our decent sized treehouse. If you know what I mean. Oh, where's all that? Oh, did I really drop? Oh, yeah, no, I'm chilling. I'm chilling. I'm just a bada bing, bada boom. Oh, no, since it's nighttime, and since I finally have a bed, scoot. Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. Yes, I know, this is 3 over 3. Oh, okay. So we got 28 pieces of wood. So what I'm thinking is like this. Mm, mm, I ain't gonna have enough on time. Mm, I don't know if to leave with the cat. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. Hey, let's go. It's not bad. Hey, we're making some progress. Hey, yes, we're making some progress. That's nice. Let's need more wood here around me. 2 years later, like 2 years, better than 2 million years later. We got another chest. Let's go. Now we can make bone meal. If I remember correctly. Or we can like tame a dog. If we do tame a dog, let me know in the comment section down below what dog, the name, like, you know. Mr. Cow, I'm gonna have to ask you to move. Thank you, Mr. Cow. Yeah, you know I guys mean. Yeah, you know I mean. My stone pickaxe is gonna die. Oh, come on. Bro, my crop wasn't even done growing. Hey, I put that back. Yeah. Wow, that's like 15th time. You know what? Mm, good. Make a two double check. I'm not going to. Let's go. Okay. I'm on speed run this. So, yeah. Alright, I'm back. Alright, sorry guys, I just had to speed on that bad boy. And I know, it's not organized, but bear with me. Alright, bear with me. It will be organized soon, I promise. Once I get enough signs, I know I can make some signs right now, but like, safety, I'm just too lazy. Yeah, don't want to get it done later, I guess. I think, so what's it called? Check that out. Wait, this real quick. Yeah, I don't think that. Okay. Well, okay, don't mind. Yeah, that is awesome. Oh wait, my crafting table. I'll have to do that later. Whatever. Those creepers. Yeah. See, I tell you, creepers are gonna be a pain in the butt. Die. Ooh, got more iron. More dirt. More dirt. Alright, hold on. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Hold up. Wait a minute. Okay, well, yeah, okay. It's useless. But yeah, I'm gonna mine for a little bit more, and then that's gonna wrap up episode 6. Yes, I know, it's crazy. Oh, come on. Yeah. Oh my god, we're chilling. We're chilling. Friendly spiral neighborhood. Yes. Coming. Hey, if you don't bother me, you can stay. We chilling. Might bother me in the night, but I'll mostly be up there. Yo, let me know what I should name this spider. Yes, I know, I got like chicken, Mr. Tile, sheep, spider. Yes, I need to name lots of things, but just put all their names in the comment down below. Thank you. Unless the spider falls off, that would be a shame. Yep, I'm gonna keep it. Thank you. Talking about for like just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. And yeah. Okay. Well, excuse me, Mr. Scooter. Well, guys, it will wrap up episode number 6. If you enjoyed, smash that like button for another banger episode like this. And thanks for watching. Peace.